The ingredients that we need, I take here half cup of cane sugar, vellam, pandan leaf, screwpine leaf, and I bought coconut milk. This is 3 ringgit. And here I already soaked the urad dal and soaked for about 4 hours. And blend, very fine blending like this. I used half cup of urad dal. So this is very easy. Come, let me show how to make it. And you need a pot. Add the blended item into a pot and add water, screwpine leaf, and you can on the burner as well. Okay, now keep on stirring. Once you already start the fire, friends, make sure you don't leave it and do other work, because you must make sure you stand near the pot and keep on stirring. As you can see, I'm showing you here. Keep on stirring. Okay, first at this stage we want to cook the urad dal nicely, because if you don't cook the urad dal nicely, then there will be a very like uncooked kind of taste, so we don't want that. So make sure you don't burn it as well, so keep on stirring. It's better if you have the heavy base pot. Okay, once you already like about 5 minutes now, I've been stirring here. So cook it, and then I'm going to add some more water. Okay, now again you're going to keep on stirring and stirring. That's a lot of stirring here. Okay, this Ulunthu Kanji is very healthy. It's very healthy. So make sure you do this for your family. Okay, once you get the consistency like this, okay, now we prepare the syrup, the sugar syrup. Okay, just add a little, just a half cup of water. And the sugar, here I'm using the cane sugar, vellam, because for this sugar you don't have to strain, it's already clean. Not like the other dark brown sugar, you have to melt it and then you have to strain and then you have to cook it again. This one is just very easy. Okay, actually friend, this half cup is actually a lot also, so it's according to your taste. Okay, now I'm going to add again. I'm going to keep on stirring again. Okay, and then add the sugar syrup. Half cup of the vellam is actually quite sweet, so you can lessen the sugar if you want it less sweet. So more stirring, friends. Okay, now I'm going to add salt, very little, because it's a sweet dish. It's a sweet kind of porridge or kanji like that. It's a dessert. So I'm going to add very little salt, and since we are Indian, we like to add cardamom. So cardamom powder, it's also optional. Yes, more stirring and stirring. Maybe that's why I don't often make these edits. Okay, now I'm going to add the coconut milk. So here in Malaysia we can get coconut milk, very thick coconut milk. I'm not sure about other countries. You can comment down there, let me know. Okay, so this is a very thick coconut milk. So I'm going to add a little more water into it because it's very thick in the consistency. Okay, so once you already add your coconut milk, friends, very important, don't let it boil. Just keep on stirring like this, and in just about 2 to 3 minutes, keep stirring, and your dish will be ready. Okay, I'm going to taste here. Okay, it's good, all perfect, all just exact. Okay, so that's all, friends. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Like, share and subscribe to Penang Family.